Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I'm doing my color Curate unbagging unboxing for the month of August. This is what the bag looks like this month. It's kind of like a pale sky blue with like ice cream cones all over it, and then it kind of has like a white like spotting pattern all over it. We didn't get like a fancy bag this month. Last few months we've been getting bags. I don't have one around me or I could show you, but watch the other videos, I guess. We've been getting like gift looking bags with these. I didn't get one this month, so just this one, which is fine. It's a cute bag. Let's dive in. So opening it up, it looks like this. You do get a card, and I very much appreciate this because they always put the product list on here and the pricing, but they don't put like the full size value. They put the value of the product you're getting in here. So if you don't have a full size, they do put what the value of the product is. So diving in, the first thing is by So Susan Cosmetics, which is the owner of Color Curate and most of the brands that are in here. This is the Dream Maker Light Shifting Highlighting Cream. We've gotten several of these. This is in the shade Vision. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna swatch this just because I know myself well enough to know I haven't used the other three, so I'm not gonna use this one. But there's the color. It's kind of like a pale gold with like a slight green blue shift to it. These are really pretty. I just don't use liquid highlights, but I do like them. Next thing in here is by Trifle Cosmetics. This is the Bon Bon Bling Lustrous Potted Pigments. We've also gotten several of these. This is the shade Snowflake Muffin. This is a shade that we haven't received before, at least I haven't. I think everyone's are the same every month, but I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that they are. I don't see many people doing these on YouTube, so I never like watch too many of them. Ooh, it's a really pretty color. Again, something I'm not gonna use though. I just don't really care for loose glitters. I don't know why, but if you like loose glitters, this is gorgeous. So I'm not gonna swatch this either. So far, we're not off to a great start. Okay. Oh, I have not been telling you the price values. I'm so sorry. The liquid highlight is $29. The glitter is $15, and then they say the bag itself is worth $12. Okay, next. This is by Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. This is the Supernova Dual Eyeshadow. We've also received this. This one's in the shade Astro Star. I don't believe I've received this one in particular. No, I have not. This goes with my eye look very well today, but this is really pretty. I do like Jelly Pong Pong eyeshadow formula, but I just don't reach for things like this. Like I don't like single shadows or like trios or duos or things like that. The only ones that are like smaller that I actually use are like the e.l.f. Bite Size, and those have 4 because I feel like I can get a completed look from that, but that I couldn't. That retails for $18. Pricey. Okay, last thing in here is this. This is the Summer Skin by So Susan Cosmetics. It's a bronzing and sculpting palette. Okay, this is something I've definitely not received before. This is $42, so kind of pricey, but let's see. I am excited that we have something that I haven't received before though. My packaging is always such a letdown because like their outer packaging is always so cute, and then the inner packaging is always just like plain black, which is fine, but I like the outer packaging so much more. Okay, so you do get a little plastic insert with the names on it, and it looks like there is a nice size mirror, and then there are 3 shades. The lightest shade is Matte Medium Tan, and this right here is Capri. This middle one is Ibiza. It's called a Matte Mocha, and then we have Bali is a Matte Caramel. So let's swatch these. They feel nice. They're not like the softest thing in the world, but ooh, a little powdery, but they seem to have a good color payoff to them. I don't think I would use the caramel color too much, but I would probably use this light one to contour and this middle one to bronze. So I will definitely try that out. I am excited about that. That being said, that's the only thing I'm excited for. But yeah, let's do a quick recap. I do like this palette. I think it's cute, and I am excited to try something new from them. So we're excited about that. $42, crazy price. The rest of the stuff I'm not excited about. Like, I've had all of these things. I've had the dual eyeshadow. They're pretty colors. I like the formula, but I'm not gonna use it. I don't use liquid highlights. It's nice, it's pretty, I just don't use it is the problem. And same with the glitter. It's nice, it's pretty, I just don't use it. But I don't want to keep getting the same thing that I'm getting. That's like if BoxyCharm put the same liquid lip in there every month, just in a different color. And I don't know, it's just disappointing that they keep reusing the same products over and over again. So far I've only got like actual shade repeats once, but I don't know. I'm not super excited. I do have this subscription for a year, so December will be my last box, and I don't think I'm going to repurchase. But this retails for $116. So that's everything. Let me know down below if you guys get this. Do you get the same things I get every month, or do you get different things? Do you like this subscription? What do you think of it? Am I just being too critical? Let me know. Yeah, that's everything. Don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so I don't miss out on any more of my future videos. Bye guys.